Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be cleaning and organizing my daughter's room. That's my quick hello to you guys. I'm showing you my bookcase that needs to be cleaned. That's my daughter who is in college. She needed a huge help with this. Here we are gonna start with emptying her bookshelf and getting rid of extra stuff in her room. Here we have emptied the bottom drawer of her bookshelf where she keeps her stationery and art supplies, so it's easier to go through all of it. We are gonna sit on the floor and start emptying and containing them. We are organizing all her pens, pencils, art supplies, and use the containers that we already have. I'm not gonna go out and buy anything new, but we are just gonna reuse, repurpose this time. Also, we are tossing out things that she hasn't used for a long time. We are wiping down each containers and stuff, and I have used label maker to label each and every boxes so that it's easier to find what we are looking for without any hassle of opening each container. One trick I like is to use labeled containers on the tops and as well as on the sides of each of them. If they are stacked on the sides, you can see them. We are going through her books in bookshelf and are donating whatever is not used. As you guys can see that her bookshelf is full of books and we really needed to sort them and clean the whole shelves. Whenever I deep clean something, I like to make sure I wipe and disinfect all the shelves and hard surfaces. Here we are moving her bookshelf because we wanted to put it on the other side of her room. We decided to switch the position of her dresser and bookshelf so it's clean, clear, and the look changes for some time. Haha, you can see that we are really struggling here to put the bookshelf in this corner. Sometimes corners can be really tricky. It's a nice time to catch up and laugh and smile and reorganize and redecorate all the shelves of her bookshelf. It's fun. We are still serious but still having good time. Guys, we made it happen. Look at the final product. After tackling bookshelf, it's time to start with her closet. We went through her shoes and now we will start wiping the shelves. A trick to put long boots is on a skirt hanger to hang them in the closet. I assembled and put the shoe rack that I got from Target, and we are arranging shoes in it. This old container of art supplies that we are using to put her sunglasses and sunglasses cases in it. My daughter had a lot of jewelry and they were really nicely stacked in a container with a lid, but unfortunately it was really hard for her to take it out and use them. So we went through, sorted whatever needs to be thrown away. There were missing pieces, some had a lot of stuff that was pretty old, so donated, trashed and put it in the drawers. All her hats are put in a storage bin, so it's easier for her to take out. We are sorting all her new and old bags and are trying to put them in clear container files style. That way it's easier to use however she wants to use them. Now Cosmo is here to help us too. Jazz up Arushi's room, we put this lovely painting of violin, and that's the final look. Overall, it took a long time for us to do all this, but you can see before and after results of the room. This is the after. guys like this video and this organization, please give like down below. If you like to see more home organization content, hit subscribe button and click bell icon to be notified for my future videos. See you guys. Ciao.